なんかあったかくていいです。
あったかく
あ
て。
ったかくていいです。でもまだマニラ来たばっかなのでわかんないけど、明日楽しみます。
Oh, okay. So they just arrived here today, Sabi ni Shuni. It's very warm. So I'm talking about, or he's talking about the people and the weather, because I'm pretty sure Japan is really cold right now. 今日本すごい寒いですもんね。
そうなんです。
どっちの方がいいですか? Do you like the summer season or the winter season more?
サマーです。
Summer! Yes! Very,
な
very
いものねだり。
Eh?
なんかないものねだりです。
Oh, okay. So, what was that? Grabe naman. So tomorrow, he's gonna explore Manila. Yeah. Do you guys have any suggestions? What do you think they should do in Manila? They want you to come over to their house. Have you tried any Filipino food? In your house? Yes? What have you tried?
ハローハロー。
シュウさんもハロハロ食べてみました。
はい、めっちゃ美味しかったです。
Sabi niya, sobrang sarap daw ng halo-halo. What else? What else do you want to try? What else should we make her try? Balot. Balot is really good. One of the best foods we have in the Philippines. Do you want to explain what balot is to Shun? Balot って知ってます？聞いたことあります？卵なんですけど、アヒルだよね。ダックシャーのベイビーダック。アヒルがまだ中に入ってて、そのままアヒルになって食べるんですよ。Pasta daw muna. Pasta. Okay. Okay now, maybe Shun-san, I think would try it. I think he would actually give it a go. Alright, Daishun, again, so happy to have you here in the Philippines. So many fans excited to see you. I personally have been watching your journey as well. So I'm so happy to see both of you still together. How long has it been since you were official? どんくらい経ってます？
1
ど
year
のくらい経ちました？
家
What year?
中間
1 year and 2 months. They know it better than you. They know it 1 year and 2 months. Mas alam niyo pa kaysa sa couple mismo. Ang galing na talaga. In fairness, Filipino fans are very, very well researched. They know about you guys more than you guys know about each other. I'm pretty sure at this point. Did you do anything special for your anniversary? 記念日のためになんかしました？お祝いしました？プレゼントとか。
記念日にお祝いしたね。
何しました
12月24 12月
？12
24
月24が記念日。
はいはい。
クリスマスイブパレード。
Sa bahay ni Shu ay sa bahay.
Ay, hindi na nila natatandaan ko.
Eh, baka mag-away na naman ko yan, oy!
Sa sure, di ba? Very sure.
Baka mag-away na naman!
家にいました。
家に
家にいた。
じゃあ特にお祝いとか
December 24!
食事してプレゼントとか
あ、プレゼント渡しました。私アイスです。
Do you guys want to know what they received from each other? いいですか聞いても。
もちろんです。
じゃあ、大さんから、しゅんさんから何いただいたんですか？
シュンからは弟
え
セン
Ah, like
Incense?
yes, the incense. Oh, very sweet. So your house always smells good.
Good, yeah.
And to remove all the bad spirits. when you know, just in case,
Yeah,
right?
yeah, yeah.
All couples, sometimes you want to remove the bad energy. シュンさんは大さんから何もらいました？
ロエベのマフラー。
Wow! So shy! Loewe. Designer.
Sana all!
Oh, sana all. Sana all talaga. Ang sweet naman. Okay, so we do want to play some games with you in a little bit. But it is Valentine's after all. So happy Valentine's sa lahat ng single. Sa mga single ba? Sige mo pa rin. Oh my gosh! Sige. Okay, Daishun, what is your advice to all the single people here looking for a Japanese boyfriend because my friend over there, he's looking for a Japanese boyfriend. I know he's looking for a Japanese boyfriend. What is your advice?
Keep
It
fighting.
doesn't have to be Japanese.
No, let's get I want to be Japanese.
Why? You want Japanese?
Not why now? Because you want someone that looks like Dai? Okay, so it doesn't have to be Japanese. What is your advice to all our single friends here who want to look for a boyfriend so that they can have a Valentine's date next year?
Fighting!
I think to focus on
Keep fighting!
how to love yourself first. Then,
Eh, mahal na mahal ko yung sarili ko.
when someone, I don't know, like when you have to argue or fight
Meron
with
siyang
a
pinang-interpreter.
person, you know your worth so that you cannot let them.
Oh my
use
God!
that. So you can meet someone at the same level, or I don't know.
With the same confidence.
Yeah, confidence.
Yeah.
Yeah. So that
Such advice from such a young gentleman. I feel like this is from personal experience with Shun as well. So, I want to ask Shun, because a lot of girls here also are looking for someone like Dai. So Shun, what is your advice to those that are looking for a boyfriend?
Diyos ko!
Sanaくていいかもです。
Oh, yan, may translator na pala tayo dito sa office eh. Uwi na tayo, Julia. Okay, so you don't have to look for anyone now. Ito, Steph.
だって僕も多分ボーイフレンドに出てなければ
No!
そんなに出会ってないかもしれない
Eh di nainggit kami.
Just so mga madoksin na dyan.
そういうわかんない
Hindi na daw niya alam, pero he tried. Parang baka naman for sure. Let's just take Dai's advice if you really want to look for someone. But you know, I think Shun is just saying, look, you don't need it. If it comes, right? Don't force it. Ako na gumawa ng sagot para sa kanya. Okay na yan. I want to ask you guys too, because obviously a lot of us have been following your journey from the start. And we heard a little bit of this already from what we've seen. But what was your first impression of each other? And if that's changed, 1年付き合ってから